how do we enable the workers to get to a rapid time to value, driving any value out of it, which could be an action, which could be an adjustment to their process, which could be a notification that they send to their quality managers or their safety managers, and make sure that that the overall productivity of the operation is good. What I'm going to show you is a couple of examples of what Operations Hub can do and what it how it enables this rapid time to value here. So this is a basic screen that one can create in Operations Hub, and the strength of the layout in Operations Hub is the capability to mix real-time information that's coming from your operations with any analytical information that the operator needs to know about the operation. So they could see the operation as it's going on and combine it with any of the analysis that is being done with historical data, or any analysis that is being done on the overall performance of the operation, or if it is doing a comparison with a shift, then they could see how the comparison works in terms of how the operation is happening right now. And based on that, they can take certain actions. They can adjust certain set points to make sure that they are they're adjusting the right amount of value, or they can basically, if there's an alarm, they can look at information that they are trying to what could be the cause of the alarm, and correct that information as well. One other example I would like to show is this kind of a screen, which is really what this screen is actually showing is multiple data points that are coming from multiple different systems. So it's not just coming from a SCADA system as an example, or a real-time system, but it is getting information from an MES system, where it's showing you in these two charts, it's showing you a distribution of downtime information related to that site, or the distribution of what are the different causes that might have caused downtime. And as the operator kind of processes this information, they can start to improve the operation. They can get a feel for which line is the most efficient that they can execute their operations on. And these are just different views that are showing actual production related information. This is actually showing in relation to the set points, how is the current live production comparing, and this is kind of showing quality metrics in terms of how the output is managed within the control limits that the operator can have. And this is a classic example of how Operations Hub actually enables you to combine a variety of knowledgeable information that can enable a worker or an operator or a supervisor to really perform their task better. Because in one shot, looking at this, the operator can know the health of their operations that is going on. They can actually go into different individual equipment and see how that particular equipment is performing, or they can get a site level view of how all of the equipments are performing, and then get a bird's eye view of where do they need to focus on from an adjustment standpoint.